Welcome to the MyMXNS Customer Portal video guide. In this part, I will show you an additional feature that allows customers to weblog samples more quickly. Functionality is called Quickload and is available just after entering the Submit a Sample tab. Thanks to this feature, customers can enter data into a predefined Excel spreadsheet and upload it easily. As a reminder, normally when a customer wants to weblog a sample, they click the New Web Order button they fill in the Web Order Details section then they save the web order and then they fill in the information for one sample. They assign tests and they open the details window and they fill in the detailed sample information. And they repeat this process for every sample they want to include in the web order. Let's review the functionality. After clicking the Quickload button, the sample Quickload screen will appear. This screen contains 3 sections. Step 1, Download template. Step 2, Fill out template. And Step 3, Upload samples. In the Step 1, Download template, there is a button Select an account. It displays a list of the user's accounts. If the user has only one account, it should be selected by default. The field is mandatory. For some countries, the quotation number field is also available. It displays the list of quotation numbers associated with the selected account. This field is mandatory only for countries where it is used, like Spain. Click on the Download button to download the Excel template. The file will be saved to your local drive. Here in the Step 2, Fill out the template, you will have some instructions how to fill in the template. In some countries, you must unblock macros when using the file for the first time. You can find Microsoft instructions via the provided link. I will do it by right-click on my file, selecting Properties and selecting Unblock. Fill out the template with your samples. Do not exceed 300 samples in a single Excel file. Each file you upload must contain samples from only one location. Do not remove, add or change the tabs or columns. In the file we have 2 tabs, one tab with instructions and the second tab with samples. Please note that column headers may differ from country to country. Enter the sample description, select group, matrix, click on 2 times to select matrix, select product spec. Please note that the list of products includes only those prepared by the laboratory in agreement with you. You can see exactly the same products that you see on the traditional web login. Then select tests. In most of countries, all tests are selected by default. You may deselect any test you don't need. As I mentioned, the file may slightly different from country to country. For example, for Spain, we have different columns. Group is the same. Matrix is the same. However, we have here the field packages. Also, we have field analysis, and tests are unselected by default. Continue filling in the file. When entering date and time, follow the exact format indicated in the column header. Otherwise, you will receive an error when uploading the file. For some countries, it is also possible to web login stability samples. If applicable, complete the fields stability analysis start date and storage conditions. You may add up to 300 samples. You can just copy samples, paste, change some information like in Excel file. So you will be more efficient. Quickload is highly efficient because you can copy and paste information across rows directly in Excel. Unlike normal web logging, you don't need to enter sample details individually or use multiple buttons to add tests or extra details. Remember that red cells, red columns are mandatory. After completing your entry, save the file. Then we have step 3, upload samples. Click the Upload Files button and the Windows File Explorer will open, allowing you to select the Excel file containing your prepared Quickload data. After selecting the file name will appear at the bottom of the sample Quickload screen, preceded by uploaded file. The Continue button will become active. If no file is selected, the button remains inactive. If there will be any issues like wrong format, size, incorrect name, an error message will appear in red at the bottom of the screen, describing the exact reason. In this presentation, I downloaded a fresh Excel template, completed it, and uploaded it. If you frequently use Quickload, you may prefer using an older template stored on your computer. However, template requirements may occasionally change. Therefore, it is safer to download the latest template more often. If the template you used is outdated, the system will display an error message and the upload will fail. In that case, download the most recent Excel file. After clicking the Continue button and successfully uploading the file, the system will redirect you to the web login screen. A message will appear at the top of the screen for a few seconds in your local language. The file has been successfully uploaded. Please fill in the web order details section. Some fields in the web order details section will be already pre-filled with the information you entered in the Excel file. You can fill in the remaining mandatory fields and save the web order. As always, you may also attach additional files. Now you see that the samples section has already been populated. This means you don't need to manually enter each sample, open detail windows, or add tests one by one. Of course, you can still edit sample details, add or remove tests, or change any other information. In case of Spain, if you need to select rush speed, this cannot be done in Excel. You must select it as usual by clicking the test icon. The Quickload functionality streamlines the web login process by reducing the number of clicks and enabling efficient copy-paste actions in Excel. This makes the process significantly faster and more convenient for customers. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. We hope you will enjoy this new feature.